About 5 years ago, my web design business failed horribly. So much so that that was it for my web development future. I lost my clients, I lost my momentum, it seriously hurt my mental health, and I heard a voice out in the distance which was Gary Vaynerchuk, basically saying, don't do the thing that earns you money, do the thing that you love. Do the thing that you love so much that you can't stop talking about it. Over and over and over and over and over again. Here we are, 4 or 5 years later, and my channel has just hit 40,300-ish subscribers. This is a very personal milestone for me. This is bigger than any other audience that I've ever built on any other social media platform. And I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for being the reason that I can't stop talking. You are the reason that I just keep talking and educating and keep going and making people happy and creating content. You are the reason that I now have a business. 4 or 5 years later, I built a business empire. That's a bit of a big word. I built a business around my love for teaching, my love for YouTube, my love for helping people. I wanted to take a moment just to say thank you. Thank you for being part of this community. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for allowing me to help you. Hopefully over the time you've seen my videos get better and you've seen my quirkiness and my sense of humor come through. Hopefully you'll see that I got a little bit better in myself. I also want to take a moment to say, if you're not better within yourself, that's also fine. Reach out to people, ask for help. I promise you, people will want to talk to you. I've been suffering with depression on and off for the last 5-6 years. I have a terrible family history, including the death of my father when I was quite young. And honestly, one of the best things I've done in the last 2 to 3 months is reach out and ask for help. Thank you very much for being part of my community. If you need any help, there's links in the description down below. This video is not going to be blasted out across the YouTube channels. It's solely for the people that are always here. So hopefully this makes you smile. If you want to see my full story, I did a video around about a year ago, which is here. Continue over to it here. Please hit like, because it helps as much as possible. And flood the comments with your story. Why are you on YouTube? What's your personal life goal? And I'll see you soon. See ya. Take care.